Hello, valued customers, esteemed subscribers. With you is the renowned company ISON. In this video, we will be providing a comprehensive review of the most advanced, feature-rich and cutting-edge HD surveillance camera in this particular segment. This is the ISON AHD50SAF-BQ model. This is a camera that has all the features and capabilities that can be found in high-definition surveillance cameras as of the present moment. This is the maximum resolution of 8MP 4K. Here is the best AMX processor. Here's a 5x zoom. Control from the phone. Here's the most modern ECLED lighting up to 60 meters. Here are all the most modern technologies, WDR, DNR, in general, everything that can be is in these cameras. These cameras have been featured in various reviews and compilations multiple times. We told you that they are the best. They and SAV MBA cameras. Here we have an HD segment and there is a more expensive option, all the same, only the IP standard of the MBA camera. Basically they differ from each other in that there is twice as much there. FPS, frames per second. However, that camera is pricier in accordance. Here is everything the best. Ready-made video surveillance camera systems from ISON brand. It's called ISON Grot X. These are ready-made kits that include everything necessary for these cameras to work. DVR, cable, power. All components work when taken out of the box and plugged into the socket. There is also a camera modification, 5MP and 4MP. Thus, pre-made kits are now referred to as Grot and Grot E instead of Grot X and Grot respectively. Grot E is the youngest model. X is the oldest by 8 megapixels. They are externally completely identical, differing only in the internal filling. We've already reviewed iSync Grot X systems as well as these cameras. We're shooting this video for you to tell about the update in 2023. Traditionally, these cameras updated every 3 years. Here, the processor and the night e-collar backlight have been updated. Both have come out with a new generation. And here they are already the freshest, the most powerful. The camera price remains unchanged. The camera comes with the traditional fasteners as well as a complete set of all possible instructions. If you're interested in pre-made sets, kits, I repeat, this is Grot X and ISON Grot lines. To work, these cameras need a recorder. For instance, a ready-made system with 8 cameras requires ISON DVR08 4K recorders. If you have any questions about these cameras, ask our managers or leave them in the comments under this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss new videos.